Emporium, and to those who are new to me, welcome and thank you for coming to my brand. Thank you so much everyone for your time. Big time thank you. So for today's video, this is another collabs review from a company named Shebag. So this is the second time. Thank you Shebag for trusting me in my channel. I am beyond grateful from all of these collaborations sponsored. Thank you big time so much. So before we carry on to our unboxing, I want to give you a quick basic information. What is Shebag company, right? So Shebag was born to review different quality of basic replica bag, guys. That's how Shebag's aim. So in this time of inflation, we all know that everything goes up now, and admit it, women, we still want this kind of bag, right? Time of inflation, guys, it is unpractical to buy very expensive quality bag, but come on woman, admit it, we still want this kind of bag, right? So Shebag designed to give the best quality to this kind of product. The replica bag looks like it's not really a replica bag, but it is a replica bag because their quality are created to replicate like a real one. So this is how Shebag created their product. So you can go visit their website. I will put all the information below in this video, and you can use my discount coupon code too. That's not really, this is very helpful though. We can save dimes. Centavo is super helpful to our pocket, right? And on top of their great deal in their catalog. So I will put all the information below, descriptions below in this video. You can go check please. And so without further ado, let's do unboxing. How's that sounds? Thank you. Please see me more in the inside in the unboxing. And I am doing again another try on to this bag. I would not be missing that try on because this is part of my channel. I will do a try on every time I do have a collabs. Okay, thank you once again, and see me more in the inside of this video unboxing and try on. So this is it, a very small one because this is a walk, aka wallet of chain. So this is what I am going to open, and yeah, let's go in the inside of the unboxing. So this is it. I like their dust bag though. Okay, I got this like this. No backs, obviously. So this has a Chanel logo in a gold design, guys. Okay, let's carry on to the inside. So this has a little pocket at the back. You can see that, very obvious. Okay, let's carry on. Oh, and it comes again with the very cutie, I'm sure this is a necklace Bulgari. Thank you for this. I actually am using the first one now. So comes with a pocket here, and it slides perfectly with the Chanel logo on it in the inside of this pocket. And another pocket, guys. Oh, this has a lot of space though, and it comes with 1, 2, 3 of each side of a card pocket. All right, and this has a Chanel logo too, and another zipper. This has a lot of rooms. So this one, and card pocket which has 6 of it, and another pocket here, and this is for our coins, you know. And another pocket here. And aside from that, there is at the back, as I've said. And their logo, Chanel, is in gold design. Yeah, this has a very little logo on this holder, zipper holder. This has a very logo, small one. I'm not so sure if you can see that perfectly, but it has a Chanel logo. Okay, so let's take this one off. Okay, so the gold quality seems very shiny to me, but this is beautiful, guys. Their leather now is not as hard as before, but it looks still expensive though. And this has a Chanel logo, of course, in this. Let's take that off. And this is it. Oh, guys, look at their chain. This looks like an authentic, right? See the quality of the leather, and I don't see any out of line stitches, as I've said the same time. Look at that. This comes with this style. So yeah, what can I tell? This is very beautiful, elegant. Looks very decent though. Walk, aka wallet on chain. So yeah, this is it. Isn't it so beautiful? I can't wait this to try on. You can see that, guys. Let's try this on. What do you think? All right then.